Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Sarah here from GOODSTONE, your girl for all jewelry tips and tricks. If you're new here, we talk all things fine jewelry, engagement rings, diamond, care tips, and how to actually enjoy your pieces long term. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more jewelry tips like this. We post a lot of behind the scenes advice that most people don't get from their traditional jewelers. Let's talk about something everybody asks us all the time. How do you clean your jewelry at home without, of course, ruining it? Think of your jewelry like skincare. You can have the best diamond in the world, but if it's covered in oil, lotion, makeup, or soap, residue, it's not going to sparkle. And the good news is you don't need fancy tools or expensive products. You just need to know what's safe and what's not. The best part is you can do it from the comfort of your own home. You'll need a small bowl, warm water, not hot, a few drops of gentle dish soap, and a soft bristle toothbrush, along with a lint-free cloth. That's it. If someone's telling you need harsh chemicals like toothpaste, don't listen to them. I wear this ring literally every single day and I haven't cleaned it in a couple weeks, so thankfully we're gonna do it together. Here's exactly what I recommend. Fill a bowl with a glass of warm water and add a few drops of dish soap. You want it lightly soapy, but of course not bubbly. I'm gonna take this toothbrush and swirl it around. Ta-ta-ta. Now I'm gonna drop our lasso ring. That's my favorite ring. I wear it every day. I'm going to drop my jewelry into it lightly and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will allow it to loosen up dirt, oil, and product buildup. I put a lot of lotion on my hands, so I need to be cleaning my ring more regularly, so this is key. Once 10 to 15 minutes is up, you're going to take your soft bristled toothbrush, dip it in that water, and just start to scrub it. You want to make sure you get underneath the prongs, underneath the basket, and really give it a good scrubbing. Mine really gets to the underside of the setting, so you really want to be cleaning that. Anyways, this is where most of the grime hides, especially on engagement rings because you're wearing it pretty much every single day. Once you're done with that, you're going to rinse it in warm water and another bowl. Pro tip is you always want to use either a cup or bowl because you never want to put your ring somewhere where a drain could be because you don't want to lose it. Once you soak it in water, you just basically take a lint-free cloth and you rub it off and you let it completely air dry. It's that simple. Isn't that crazy? Oh my God, it looks so good. That's it. Your diamond should be brighter, it should be sparkly, and it should also feel better. Quick thing I want to note is you never want to use toothpaste, baking soda, or harsh cleaners like Windex. You just do not want to do that. If you wear your ring every day, I recommend you clean it once every 2 weeks. I would professionally clean it every 6 to 12 months. And if you're here in Austin, Texas, I recommend you book an appointment to bring it in for a cleaning at our new showroom. Regular cleanings keep your jewelry looking new and helps catch issues early, like loose prongs. Jewelry is meant to be worn, lived in, and loved, not locked away. A little care goes a long way in keeping your pieces sparkling for years. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more jewelry tips. And if you have questions about your specific piece, don't forget to just drop it in the comments. We're always here to help. I'll see you guys in the next one.